Let's be honest for a moment. Most people are talented and hardworking, but they are still stuck in the same place year after year. Same struggles, same limitations, same feeling that life should be more than this. The problem is not effort. The problem is the right skills were never taught to them. Today that changes. Here are 10 skills that will make you more capable, more confident, and more ready for everything life throws at you. Let's start with the first one. Communication skills. Everything in life depends on how well you express yourself. At work, in relationships, in every opportunity, people connect with clarity, learn to speak well, and watch how your whole world changes. 2. Money management. Earning money means nothing if you cannot keep it. Most people are broke not because they earn less, but because they manage poorly. Track every dollar. Spend less than you earn, because wealth is built one smart decision at a time. 3. Basic cooking. Eating out every day costs you money and your health. You do not need to be a chef. Just learn to cook your own meals, because the person who controls their food controls their energy. 4. Driving. Not knowing how to drive limits your freedom. You depend on others to take you where you need to go. Knowing how to drive means never waiting on anyone. Learn to drive, because mobility is freedom. 5. Swimming. Most people treat swimming as optional. It is not. It is a life skill that could one day save you. Learn enough to save yourself, because water does not care if you are ready or not. 6. Self-defense. Danger does not announce itself. Knowing how to defend yourself gives you confidence most people never have. Learn it not because you want to fight, but because you never want to feel helpless. 7. Sales skills. The ability to sell is the ability to change your life. If you cannot persuade people, opportunities will always pass you by. Learn to understand people and communicate your value, because those who can sell will always have the advantage. 8. Video editing. Video is the language of this generation. Every brand and business needs it. Learn to edit and you have a skill that pays from anywhere, because content is not stopping and editors will always be in demand. 9. Time management. Time is the one thing you cannot get back. Most people waste it without realizing. Learn to manage your time and you will always be ahead, because the person who controls their time controls their life. 10. Problem solving. Life is a series of problems. The people who win are not those with the least problems, but those who solve them fastest. Train your mind to find solutions, not excuses, because the world pays well for people who fix things. Now you have 10 skills that most people will never bother to learn, and that is exactly what will separate you from them. Do not try to learn all 10 at once. Pick one, master it, then move to the next. Small, consistent progress beats doing nothing every single time. Invest in yourself now so life does not force you to regret it later. If you are committed to leveling up, comment in this video and subscribe to the Inspiring Zone.